Good evening to all of you. Except what I think relevant, I'm glad the previous speaker ended with the slide on energy efficiency. We work on energy efficiency and renewable energy. It's not the, I think, this is, I'm talking on waste heat utilization. And you'll see from this that it's going to be the next big thing on energy efficiency. And I'll show a video which we have shot recently. We were doing some work in industrial cluster in Faridabad. There are over 150 reheat and forging furnaces. And similar furnaces are there in many parts of the country, in many clusters. And this furnace is using gas and fuel oil, diesel as fuel for preheating the stock for forging. And if you see, actually not more than 15 to 20% energy is being used for the process. And interesting part is, I'm now going away from my presentation, that when I talk to their association, that it's so much of wastage, why people are not attending to it? There are solutions. And interestingly, he said that a small industry, there are 4 things, or 3.5 things, he didn't say 4. He said 3.5 things which make people, and show, where is that? How do you close it off? Thank you. No. So he said that there are 3.5 things. First is the economics. And he said economics, when you talk of an MSME sector, the economics logic keep on shifting. When you are working with us right now, our economics is how to make our 3 shifts work. Because of the automobile industry in trouble, the owners are busy just to seek order. What's happening on the energy efficiency, nobody's interested. So it keeps on changing from time to time, and energy has still not caught the imagination of the owners. The second, he said, that for SME industry is when the original equipment manufacturers enforce something. So, like they said that unless you do ISO 9000, we will not take material from you. So we have implemented ISO 9000. And the third thing they said, if there is a compliance requirement. And on waste heat utilization, I believe that is the thing which may make it happen soon. Many countries, they have taken waste heat utilization as a national policy, national mission. We have done several case studies showing, the projects are 1 year, 2 years payback, but still things are not happening. And this is a slide I want to share with you. After discussion with the developers and other stakeholders, what we have come to conclusion that come out of the traditional model of financial incentives and other things, make a new model by which we can make it work. And to develop this new model, we have talked to stakeholders across the spectrum, and we are thinking of that we'll develop a waste heat utilization, waste heat recovery, waste heat utilization alliance in the Faridabad industrial sector, where we'll involve the vendors. They are the critical people to really see that efficient equipments and systems are in place. The service providers who can provide backup service, because most of the complaints made by these entrepreneurs that when you introduce a new technology, there is no backup service. So we have problem. And the OEMs, like if these big automobile giants, they enforce, it should happen. And technical institutes, because there are 3 models on which they are working. They build the furnace themselves. They get it made by the, some kind of roadside vendors, and they also get the high quality furnace from the reputed vendors. So we should be able to address all the three markets. We cannot say you only buy from the regular vendors. So we are talking to the technical institutes that can you provide design assistance to these roadside vendors so that they can make more efficient furnaces, and also the banks and financial institutions, that how do we create a retail finance model so that these small interventions can also be financed. So this is what I wanted to share with you, a different model we are thinking of building for this energy efficiency improvement in the furnace area. Thank you. I will